There is a whole lot about you that I didn't know, and so I'm sure a lot of people don't know.
I always wanted to be a mother, certainly, but it was the most challenging thing I was ever doing in my life. And it was a different role for me in life. It wasn't this pursuit of academia, you know, it was just really something more humbling and purposeful. I've always just loved stories. I've always loved reading. And for me, in photos and imagery, I'm always thinking about the story. And I'm definitely cultivating a scene and a set and an environment. Creativity is a universal calling. You feel it. You feel the power to be creative. I think we all have creativity in us, but it really is an energy that pulls us in, and I feel the most alive, the happiest when I'm creating, and when I can do that with my children and document them at the same time. It serves my purpose. And I think when you can remember what you're doing, what you're really doing, that service you're really providing, and what you're creating, then that certainly helps. Because yeah, think about the value of what this is, your children, in these moments.